Nyanim na dofo no mayam sum for Yesu bani. Ene ma be pie mu se krum Ashanti region. Baby abeti mama Lumba ana mama Akosia Sewa dimbia no. Obehu Yesu ba. And the mission is justice for Mama Akosia Sewa. Along the line, a lot of social intervention programs have come, and it has come along with the fight for the justice of Mama Akosia Sewa. We handle Akosia Sewa care. I foundation a share in Yanka and Kwada, Womo Yare, and right to the medical field. Abuabu and Crawford. Now one of them conveners and our reps no Efreme say a brand TV eja ashishino. Ama it is in a very, I don't know if it's in the first degree or the third degree, but Efreme say any medium komo and I mean say no. I was saying to me bana me share na the amisu meeting me the abua na asanso abua foundation no asanso abua ye mami Akosia Sewa ade bia ye woni di mu no na mesoma ye edi aboa nyame nchade no mabedu mejina hayi mejina member community ne dey there but me was say krum the Ashanti region efie na anim na mejina so ebe rafio na ya hwe nipa no matoto na no ne nebushafo edi nkomo na yenso ya hwe de ebe etimi aya yede bebo anu media chosin Yesu ba intene no me ba ni o ma bedi nkomo ebe hwe de siye ane bushia na edi nkomo say eye witness wa ebe busa na sem na ya hwe omo a akoma pem no ombetimi aboa amade o se ye in the name of your mama Akosia Sewa foundation no na ya ye edi aboa sanipa no so ba show need to share your thoughts with Yesuba. And then it's a whole different ball game. Now, me person me catch you say pictures are big channel and you're very pleasing. In terms of our video no. Me ma disclaimer ni say so you're cautious because obi e just shishing is adie. So wo be sha I will say wo ye wa adwin ye ansa no ahwe because and you're very pleasant to your eyes. Ebetimi so ebi ebe ma wakoma tu ana bibi pacho me ma caution se woni akoma ye de hwe enema bisa na wa ye krado se wo be hwade bisa nyame ehio bibia tinuanim na dofunom se na misika no ebe rafi ho na ya hwe yenua be ma no de si ya okon social be same na moa bia ye won ye mfamboa no mepamcho se na misika no ayubi eja hyehye na hyehye ne ye pa na ebia mfoni a de beto afidie ne so no ebia na wontimi hwe the visuals that you are going to see may not be pleasant so please yen share honin so se na be ya be cautious and sana ya share video ne sinyame en show bibia in Ramon Davis. Okay. It is saying,
Pacho Nyamiado.
Pacho Rosen.
The friend in cancer.
In cancer.
Pacho.
Pacho na Bashish.
Pacho.
A friend is saying.
Brighton cancer.
Brighton cancer.
Pacho.
Okay. Yentimasi na ending come.
Okay.
And your mama cousin.
Nyamade. Acquired in the ya try bia still enye ekwa kakra de so ntise first no ti yenso no said ya bo modern a se betra ya ama ade na ya yi no ndi de aduro de emoa na ehia said be ya betimi ama na niam no atimi aye kam
ejuma be na ya
Pacho me dem operator.
Operator. Kaso operator si anything.
Dormo operator.
Ade.
Dormo.
Doorman operator. Okay. Juma Benz.
Chainsaw operator bubu bunuya.
Okay. Bunuya. Na emre ade ne ye Brighton cancer na wo fi.
Pepacho memo mu ewo Tepa. Ana ono so wo Accra. Nti na minni ho.
Esi Wakra.
Esi Wakra.
Rono Benz.
Teshi.
Akoda.
Oho na ye te rasta. Nti ye free ho no ana aja obi ade ne tirihwe mu ne se me kwose ho no so se ne ono so beka ho no wa ye adwuma. Ne se adwuma no mu ana akokofa se ne manaba.
Okay. Your friend one then you catch your one sana obedu.
O friend me no ni nua ba ko Kumase. Na ba bia me wo no ya na network nsusu ni ho. Nti ade achi no no friend me bi ka chem se da. What de aba na me se da bi. No se bright na wa hye na me se wow. Ade na hye no. Ono so no wo ye gas adwuma. Nti wo so obi se o meye anoma no woni pa ko no de si self contain na liki afa ho nyina. Nti okokoye na me se ade ne automatic ni gya no pase omu. Na nam so ma wo hye.
Nti no originally no Bright in cancer no ye technician.
Se adwuma se cylinders. Gas cylinder.
Oh, okay. Adomo mu tu ni ti no.
Omo amode car esisa no mode surprise ofie no.
Okay. Nti e car no na hye na.
Yabi obi frɛ no ofie. Nti oni pa ko frɛ no ofie ni sɛ ne cylinder no eliki.
Ti ombra
mbesi ma no. Eno na kokofa asensem ni nyina ba.
Ti odu won no gya ne patum.
Gya ne patum nti oye wie no na mbesi ade ne automatic. Ene sɛ kokofa atorenchem ade abre no.
Ti a hye ni na.
Efie ni hye.
No no so hye inside.
Omu mienu na hye. No no de no enye serious te sɛ Bright de no.
Oh. Okay. Ska say na wasay.
Sika ya sɛ de edoso kire sɛ emra eba saa no kotoduro we bra ɛhɔ no nko akora me sɛ na toduro bra no na eno nko akora kyɛn be 10,000 nti ɛhɔ akire no ɛna omu yi no sɛ omu onko fie na stela no hontɔ no nti tambia so be 5 days bia no na yakoya na dressing eno so no na ye 1,500 ana na ye
how many months near ade ni
danu alupre no ehwe ase no na de chi ye no na ono so nya ase problem
ministers no
yeah
anomko
ayi oboase na de chi ye no ono so nya ase problem
it feels that time no
ene abokasa
every 5 days we out to 1,500 akoya dress
nti ba sa no ana me ye ne se ne sa na te de a me no ye nya sika sa nti omu discharge na mana be fie no eno nko akora na ye 150 nti be ye ya pa busia de ma ono ana me ye ne se ne omra Tepa ho na me hwɛ sɛ de meye nti ho na me gusu a ye hwɛ sɛ de be ya ye hwɛ sɛ benyamwa ama ne ono so no ho atɔ no
ti akosia sɛ wake wo ye den foundation na a friend say no be kasa no wo ye den na ɔte ɔmo nka
nadamfo ne bra no enti ono na already same crofo no de maaye
me pa cho ni makosia sɛ wa
me pa cho me ni no
ɔne wan
Daddy Lumba na yere no a wo aburokyire no mate sɛ yeso otimi boaboa amanfo pa enu ti na menya awurehyiemu sɛ saa na te de a minimiso Nyankopɔn bɛfa no so ama yeso so yenyamoa wɔ no ho enu ti na ye ba sɛ ye bɛhwɛ sɛ de nneɛma bɛyɛ eti sɛ de otimi ma lumba ye lumba no saa na menim se obeboa me ba boache eso so amana ye boache nti medim se ba omis nya me be fa ne so ama me ba no so anya hoden
oye ne oma awawade bebre wa Ghana oyi enam ne so no ya tunsuo di amankrofo bebre won klase ni nkronkro bi so me ne oma bebre awawade bebre pa enam ne so no ankrofo bi anu mu ni ba bi de nya ba bi ada nyanka chese ene ne abesunsu yi to o asem bi ka e de chairman mi akoshi asawade na abeka che
asema metimi aka kire ne se de woye no matene nka onyankopon no nhira no na ba bia oyi bibia firi bia no onyankopon ema no mmoho no ma ni nyansa na tambia no omo a eni bia no ono so atimi anya bi di aboa no aboa om na o ma na hoden na o ma no Solomon nyansa o ntimi mfamoa afofrofo sama betimi aka.
Okay, nti Mr. Nkansa.
Yes, sir, boss.
What's your name akosi aso waka bibi kakra na akosi aso onim ne titafo ni omo ebo ne chidom. Ne mama.
Pacho minimum.
From say.
From Team Legal Wives.
Kabium.
Team Legal Wives.
Sir. Okay, dini Team Legal Wives and Husbands.
And how?
Okay, nti woni momo say. Ni momo say.
Minimum say omo timi boaboa manfo. Ama de oni bie kura no. Ne hoto no. Ntina yeti onka ya pese ya susu ya desrede eto omanim. Bisan se emoa no omoboa no. Be fin se de hoto omso omso so betimi aboa ma beba no so enya hote.
Nti wosi Team Legal Wives oni momo se.
Ni mo ameni wo mo ne se emra lumba dadi lumba na busuafo no ene maame no enya asem no womo na mihu se omo eje sa asem no ade ta omani ase enti wo hwe TV so a phone so a uhu se de ene ma ekro enti ne ma hunu se eyade bi a omo bom hu bode enti still kra no omo da so bo no da chi dom se de be ya aban enso so ede ne ho bagim se de be ya na asem no so no ebidim enti nimu amenimu wo mo no enti mehu wo mo onsem bebre ewo TV so ne social media so
onim so mo ya wade pa omo titim be ma pa
se mema ni bi wo hadwen enti so hadwen de a me wo ho kwan so mo tete wo enti ene me no mo ye adwen
okay na just follow bibi e ko so
ane de so wo ya de enye de a ane de bi se mema ni bi aba no omo hadwen enti se wo ya de enye na so o mo tete wa e fine sa
okay na wa wo hwe akosia maami akosia se wase mi ya kan se na wo si hu so mo ye se na o ma kan no wo hwa asem no den na wo hwe wo sa ban ye e fa na asem no
okay esa ban no ehwe eye bebe mama me no esan se wono no wabre me ka se me tiene nka se woni ni nyina na wabu chire enti
okay enti mo akonya se kan bibi chere Team Legal Wives and Husbands ade na obeka cho
de metimi aka kire omo ane se omo nkoso a nye de omo ye no na menim se eye insira ede mawom se de be ya omo soso no onyankopon be form so ama oni biefo ana de oni bie kora no ebe ne ho beto no enti de omo ye no de metimi aka kire omo se omo nkoso anye na onyankopon soso ebe sira wom ama bibia soso omo ye no akoso
okay nyame shapa
mesoso nyame sira pa omo aduma nkoso kama
na woni mi din
me pa cho mi ni mudi
ye frame Yesu ba
ye
Yesuba.
Yesuba. Me say from in cancer.
Me dey me ni mudi. Na ni mudi. Okay.
Nti dia me hwe say aban no da japade bi e fata no. Won hwe na on fema no. Na yemfa sumbie ento ba bi eda. Isan say me mate say so won na brewa buchire ho. Nti aban yesa yenso so ye ni beje ho.
Aka no krepa. Enti wo ba nkansa ene sa wa to sanso hwewe mo. Eden na o be pese sa ekuwi omnyama.
Oh, se kuo no mate omudin. Eno nti na mpese me do made srede ato omanim no. Me hia moa pa kese se de be ya me ba no ne ho beto no. Isan se wonye nipa se be wo kwadwofo. Aha, nti obre no ho asem so mu obi a. Nti se ya de we ebo no a even kura nye Nyankopon adom a womo a we sisi esen womo eso so womo nyina awu na se wote ase de a na menim se Nyankopon adem na aye enti se de ebeya ono so benya hoode ni ti no ana medem ho bebo se ekuo we no menim se kwa bi aso no ekuo no so no ebetimi ama me ba no ho atome ame so me de o maseda ma ho
amen inshallah
on sira mo so
me da sisa oba mi show ni so
me so me da wase pa papa Yesuba wudi no honam se Onyankopon sira o na won to nkwandam na se program a uguso de ya manfo no won oma nyansa party so Solomon de ni bi na koso ara faye na Onyankopon so be sira me da wase pa
amen me so me da se enyanu mi adofo no me musumfo Yesu benie mutie bright ne papa wakanfo abusiafo no akanfo ne nua dia se me kama mutie ase ne se ne ba no ofo ya mu pa enti bia mama ma hwe mfoni bia I mean bright e won mfoni ni mu a obahu se oyawa ofem no enye easy ontumi nante o papa no e fa no asana watimi aye de obetimi aye ye nemu se team legal wives and husbands beba be do pepper so bia obi ti tepa otumiti team legal wives nka esrese opese mmoa wo mode boa amansan eni se no musi ejina mami akohia se wechi no omode saa mmoa no eba be boa afoforo we eye bright in cancer eja hye no ne fiedi ye boachi enuanim na dofo no mesremo se bebi bia wo bia emoye bia wo bia obetimi dia bo awante we ni oye bia oye gas technician obi friend preko pese won ba boa no e wo fie okoko boa na se if your electrical work no e automatic oye gas we ya na electric ne patum ene so ni e hihye ono ani fiira ni nyina e so no ni de no akọ deep oya plastic surgery o papa ni J3 kra no ni nyina ahye enu nti no akotena tepa yempese abrantie ni nkwan be finisa nti ebusianfo munhwe ye mame akosia sewa odo etini mu ni mame akosia sewa Nyankopon ina ye Nyankopon na ye moa ye nui na di bia ofem no na meboa na se entubua kakra ye de beboa no ekoyie na se otumi efa ne ntuma papa fra etumi giani na so ekokoyie juma Nyankopon di sansha no ebebre ye mame akosia sewa fosu any team legal wives and husbands for nyina enuanum me ne obi owo ho a asem ni siye no ohun kakra me ne no so be din komo mama yenti no ne ensambra. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Veronica.
Veronica.
Yes, please.
And what happened on that fateful day?
Okay, I was home at let's say at dawn, and I had a call from his boy. And the boy told me Bright has had an accident. That's a gas explosion accident. So I should come to Lekma. That's where they are. So when I went there and I met Bright, he was really in a bad condition. Yeah, he was really big because the gas really entered him. So I asked him a few questions, like what happened.
He could talk when you got there?
Yes, he could
Wow.
talk. Yes, he could talk. So he told me.
And when you say he was big, what do you mean? He had bloated?
Yeah, he has bloated, like very big. He looked really different. Yeah, because of the gas. He was inside the room when the thing happened, but the person he was working for was outside.
Oh. Okay.
Yes.
I see.
So the two of them got bent, but his was really severe than the person. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So I asked him, and he said he was at home, and the person called him in the evening around 8 to come and fix his new stove. So when he went, not knowing the stove was, it doesn't use matches, it's electric. So not knowing the gas has already leaked in the room. So he didn't know. So when he just entered and he just lighted the stove. Then that was how everything happened. And when it happened, so the doors got locked. So he was in for some time.
The doors are automatic?
I don't know how the doors were, but he said it's everything, like the
got
doors,
locked.
got locked. When that happened, the people has to rush them to the hospital. So they took him to Lekma. Lekma said they couldn't handle that case, so they have to take him to Rage, from Rage to Kolebu, from Kolebu to this hospital of Legon Hospital. That place they
UGMC.
couldn't. Yeah, they couldn't do it, and they took him back to Lekma. So Lekma, that's where I don't know how come the doctors came there and they said now they can do it.
Okay.
And they started treating him there. So he was in the hospital for 5 months. I was there with him.
Wow.
Yes, I don't go home. I sleep with him in the hospital, do everything.
You help him?
Yes, I help him. Yes, and it has been really tough. Like, it's really tough. Yes. From that time.
How is it like, supporting him in such a condition?
It's really difficult because the person can't walk, he can't eat. When he wants to even pee, he wants to defecate, you have to help him do all those. He has to put on pampers, you have to be cleaning him up, doing all those things. It was really stressful. Very, very, very
How has it been in this last 5 months?
It's really hard.
How many months has it been actually?
10 months.
10 months.
Yes, but we spent 5 at the hospital, then the remaining 1 at home.
Yeah, so that's why I'm asking that the last 5 months, how has it been?
It hasn't been easy because we have been doing home treatments because we don't have money to go back.
So, have you heard about the Akosia Sewa Foundation? The Akosia Sewa Care Foundation?
Yes, please, I have.
You heard about it?
Yes,
what do you know
please.
about it?
Okay, I've heard of them on social media and that they help the needy and those who, let's say, like Bright's case like this, that he doesn't have anyone to support him. She can help him. Yeah.
I know that. Do you know Akosia Sewa?
Yes, please.
Who is Akosia Sewa?
Lumber's elder wife in Germany.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did you come about it?
During the funeral case about her and Daddy Lumba case, yeah, that's how come I heard about.
We won't go there, but I just want to know if you know, so that so she has a support group.
Okay.
The name of the support group is Team Legal Wives and Husbands.
Okay.
So people in these teams bring up these ideas, and they run it by her.
Okay.
So that's how come the Akosia Sewa Foundation or the Akosia Sewa Care Foundation came into existence.
Okay.
This is one of the most, I think it will be one of the most intense interview I've had ever since, and it's a serious case that the foundation has never handled yet. I know that the team is very supportive. They have a vision and a goal to achieve. The first goal is to achieve success and justice for Mami Akosia Sewa. But some members in the team are putting out ideas to also support the wider populace in order for, everybody everywhere will have a bit of who the Akosia Sewa Care Foundation. It's just out of, I mean, the kind of personality she is, the kind of love she has shown people, the kind of love she's shown Lumba, and it has affected, it is like a virus, it has affected everybody. And everybody is trying to do a lot. I mean, they run these ideas by her. I was called by one of the conveners of the foundation to come here and then speak to your family about, I mean, Bright Boachi and cancer. What do you want Team Legal Wives and Husbands and the foundation to do for you?
Okay, what I want Team Legal Wives and Husbands to do for Bright is to support us with his hospital bills, especially now he's going to do his surgery. It's when we went to the hospital, they said it's going to cost a lot of money, and that we don't have. So we are just praying and we are hoping they help us.
How much is that? Is it in cedis or dollars?
Yes, it's in cedis, but they didn't tell us. But they said it will be really expensive, so we should prepare for the expenses.
So what are you telling Team Legal Wives and Husbands? Okay,
I'm telling them to come in our aid because we really need them. We really need their support because we don't know what will happen to Bright if they don't come in for us. Because Bright has really gone through a lot. So we're just hoping they help us, they support us for Bright's medical bills.
Okay.
And for his surgery.
Mutia sister. Also your name Team Legal Wives and Husbands. Na Kobani say Bright ebe kwa koye plastic surgery. Sky ebe jino no dosu. Oma timunka na omo resume say mo be boa wo. We nya ohye. Ye na edwuma ne ye bi di aboa. Kakra ebe nya bi ebe timi di aboa. Se mo hu Brighter. Wanhwe obisu. Ti me ma warning and a disclaimer. So unni akokodwa e de show bi eja hihye na yedu wonu ma no wayiweni. But you bandaging into betimi ahwe ne kakra. A very handsome guy. And na me no kasa e wontimi nanti opapa na fa no. Asa na wetimi important ase. Ti enche bia na Bright baba be kan yon wa na ebisa na semba ko mienu bi pani asande ne ko. Because unya hodin I'll be him the idea. And no kasa Bright otika wim ne papa ene jamechi abaye so ye obi okan bushia ne ho a ono so boa Bright. Inti mama ne papa yi no abetena akonya ne so na mabisa ne semba ko mienu bi. Me wia na mejade aka na mama. Me the foundation ne mu rep ne so ba ko bekasa. Anything Legal Wives frontliners ne ba ko and it didn't couple madrista ina no so bekasa iwia na de aka no ye de shamunsa ye de omomomo numbers eno mo bibia ebetudwa na Nyankopon ka wakoma na wo hwɛ saa video we bia de anyame beka wakoma bia no o send a reference no now the TLW account Team Legal Wives o the TLW reference no TLW o the kan na ebe come ho direct say ye 10 cedis 20 cedis 50 cedis 100 cedis dia obenye bia no
Amen. Amen. Ubenyo. Kafu mkabibia.
Bright at the same. Bright at the same.
Yami Adum.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, Adum.
It's been 10 months.
Yes, please.
Wow. What's your educational qualification?
Okay, I just completed senior high school.
Senior high school?
Yes, please.
Where?
In Premier College. Premier College.
Premier?
PC.
PC?
Yes, please.
Okay. How long have you been working as a gas technician?
Okay. Let's say for the past 3 years.
3 years?
Yes. And I started on my own. So let's say I was working for someone for a year and I started my own. So for my own, it's 2 years.
2 years?
Yes, please.
So you understudied somebody for a year?
Yes, please.
And then 2 years on, you were on your own?
Yes, please.
But the boy on commode, and then they see it's a faithful day.
Okay. So on that faithful day,
I'm
going through pains, that's why. It's not easy.
Right. And then they see.
Okay. On that faithful day, no. Yakoya outreach. To your point, no. Nipa.
Muko outreach, muko kanya miase.
Yoko kanya miase.
Mo point no.
To your point, no. Ana one of my member. Me na me leader. To one of their member. Me member bako. Nakaje mi so oh. Na then time very still actually me fridge me so okay. The sana be there. You didn't hear any kinky. Ana banku be I bedi. No so okay fine. And my colleague me guys okay then. Me talking kinini na konkodi. Nti mo no mana obi frɛ me. Obi a me nim no. Frɛ me say obi na introduce me a man no. Say me a gas technician, I can do this. More gas delivering company do. So meet my banana. Now wakoto cylinder. I fill a gas, but also I am meet my banana. I'm so oh. Meet my by the time we there. Then turn out the answer. Time we there not so oh. I say me I finish work about 8. To say me I dem remember here na me mano. And I'm so okay fine. See after full DDV no. And I'm so okay fine. And the son bed there. Marco check bibi man. Me see me do no. Not knowing gas no one my year no. Baby a cylinder is no a enclosed area. Ana gas no. I join up. On say say you need to know man take ne pungent or do not say anything be antino. It's not knowing no stove or use no. That automatic one now without matches.
Yeah, out any penna.
What any no aso any be no. Me ya sana gas na jewelry. Me want is take be.
Enko.
Ti that day no easy. Ti like yo me whole hospital ho no. Say me dia I can't do anything on my own. Mintimi nante. Mintimi ni di. Adi abaneji mitri so abesi mi fom nyina. Loliti an ho aye mani. Ene me hwene aye de oxygen si mi so. Nti se me ko private cry na I say Veronica. Ene eboa me. Want me to those kind of things. Mintimi nya hwe. Ne mintimi nya me ho hwe. And then so I'm one MCCA. I've passed 10 months in treatment, but now I've gotten contractures and a whole lot of things. I can't walk. Now this my left hand too, because of the contracture I can't do anything with it. It's different from my right hand. My right hand has been healed. For that one, it wasn't easy. But for that one, by God's grace, has been healed completely. But for my legs and my hand. So as we went to Confanoche, they said they're going to do surgery. So and the surgery to the amount of money they're going to take, the doctor said it's not easy. So you should go and look for funds to for people to help me. Yes, please. One day I was at home and my father said, well, good news. na bisa say good news near then I say oh obi be catch and say near me famu no foundation be ho no mo beti maboa me which is Akosua Sewa Foundation nti oni Veronica di hu komo no so okay and esa na be there a good idea so meet maboa me nko an there because me so me bre many beji acha
nti then na person mo ye de boa
so mo boa me na me ho to me na me so be start me so me because if ya me na more normal I feel they say there I was in life and I terminated to me so my boy me. It's not easy.
What is Team Legal Wives and Husbands?
Okay, apart from my father Becca chair me say there's Akosua Sewa Foundation and one I'm the quality Team Legal Wife, one I'm quality.
And I'll tell you,
and I'm tell you.
Then I'm here.
There's some about for you're in need, like my condition, they can support and help. Yes, I don't catch it.
Okay. The message ben now the mom.
The make more can say your person of women, Miss Seno. No henya me no boy me. Cause this time around there. So ma boy me. Cause me break. So
Bibi be fine. Bye.
Sure, that's
And you know the phone. I'm soon 4 years by me. You bright watching cancer. We share na made in a picture better. We share bright is here. Now when the pictures they are not here, why is here? But most we are seeing social to me too. And young couple on the boy on by. We share say bright a call outreach or call evangelism or your fellowship leader. A call evangelism. Any team aba. And obi a friend is a ombe boano. Okoya okako boano no. In social cartoon no nie. In your name of phone message. Say you extend a helping hand to Bright. I don't know how, but I know and believe in Legal Wives and Husbands. When you dear chance in your name near the phone me papa no me mama no. Message. Say video we the council. Kakrebia will be a bit me about Bright. Send a bit me a coye in plastic surgery. I will confirm not to hospital. G. And you know, Monfam one. You had any number a bet two screen so. Send a bear one casalfa number now. One sending the Audi Babuano no dear man. Now, all send there reference to TLW, Team Legal Wives, TLW. Send a bear one. Obe who say. Eyemo ena mo boano amani free satibia we mu nyankopon o show bibia na ye maame Mrs. Akosua Sewa Fosu ne nyankopon a oye boafo nyankopon a oye nokare nyankopon a obo obia no omboa ye nua be me nyame enhia mu nyina kapo
Yesuba
wo de onim se juma ye me de juma na no de
be kwasempa
ma me Akosua Sewa ishiswe ana ama ye ko bebia obi afefe ayarefo mo mpesa etu mo fees na de ade e team ya ene omo na me ye Team Legal Wives and Husbands omo ya de
no kwasem omo bo adwuma pa in fact bibia omo de omo sim
na wo hwen so a bibia obekọ bia obebo mu din no crofati omo ka
the kwasem pa
wo hwe de ekona de ato ye nua Bright then na wo hwa I was saying crofo it me ye Bright
de me pese yen crofo Team Legal for no etimi ye ne se omo de omo ya de a yen kai kra no omo ye nti de so omo se omo hwe nua Bright de ato no se wadi dem se ne de e so omo se omo mo ye nua be ma no ma ye se de be ya no bitima to no san se wo hwe ne kra na wontimi hwe ati ase isi pija no ed ne shekem obekoto leti ani nyina yes wontimi nya hwe nti esro mo esan se omo de bibisi no omo ye ma ne broso nti mo ase de be ye nua be ma no enso bitimi nya aresa no so etima do ma se esan se wi wan sidi kura na me pefa so edi esra mo
ampa
esan se asem awe ho odi busa se ka wo ne keto a anase wo nua bi anka be de nti ato ye nua yi de na wo se omo so timi boa
to wo hwe Team Legal Wives and Husbands na say ko ya be absisi ya be jidin wo Ghana I nam ye maame akosia so so. Then I'll come for kono.
They make up for kono say ekuni ekubi a in fact aba abeboa Ghana na aba eboa foforo bi a okonso him. Na yinim say bi a aware mu nsam nko a ana say bi a oba bi a be ma bi atete no ana be ma bi a oba bi atete no. Na say enkra omom da prison na yitimi yi omo efi ho. Afin so nkran so mu nko school yitimi bo omo etimi mu ko school. Na che say timwe na ba ye no aboa mamanfo etimi agina baabi ba ye nche ye nso de wa niam say content am che say eku we sinya nkaboma ebitimi akofa ebitimi aboa mamanfo pa
because me personally we mama be a friend travel
okay
I'm so America
yeah
yeah me friend no me mama back
wow yes
there were these guys as some street boys to me my name is Kama me dey be mu koto edwuma mu
no kwasem
tutu say ma me akohia se wenti no afoforo no bebre na no o ma benya hope
yes no kwasem pa
eni so ade hunu bi aba ma o manya eni daso
yes
enti ebe me de say dia ya sha se na say me no na na kokofo dia kutu su na dia de team no ya de be otumu se nyankopon onam sase mu esu pese osesane o me bi Ghana enam ye ma me akohia se wa
no kwasem pa
me so me hu ni say nothing happens just like that nyankopon sheda ma sase mu bai se na be ya nkrofo momakome mu no papa ni adoyo mu pese mu ye no ebe nam ye ma me so na
akohia so na etima ye adwuma
no kwasem pa na sa nyonyam no ye de ma nyankopon de bi so ma ye ma me akohia se wa Inti eden na woka ede che Team League wives husbands.
Dear me wo aka che Team League afo enyina ne se Nyankopon hyamo na wonyamo kese esan se e kase edamase a yentimi na mase nwida. Eti mu se akokɔ bon a na ye masada kese pa na ye de mamo. Enti de mo yama afoforo no eso ani kese pa ana Bible se wanya ma onua no wanya ma onua ade. Enti no me se ese ni makoma mu eni nim de wa musitie enim se mo be ya ma na broso enti ne esremo adoye na ebi ni o tia se de wo de kwa so de fie no fa bo ye nua no na ye nua no so nya na woto na Nyankopon fa so enti
aso fie de no nko na we so ma yeah so fie de okay enti kapo mi da se pa wo de o
Yesuba sounds so Accra some no one tia Accra ni azabe kuma se
ese ejuma ni de
ejuma ne so
ya GSS so ne de ye be
ya kase be ne de say adana kuborofo
ye ninam enyanum na dofo no se na munim se ye no
yes
meni nua kapo madrista ono so running a very huge platform on TikTok and my mama akohia se why she so buy se ne uhumi wo osekroma me baha first because of mama akohia se wa meni enu ewie ena masanso aba ye nua be ma bright boachi cancer ene ne papa di nkomo ye de ono anka se di nkomo ye ne oba oboa no friend Veronica so di nkomo afei no ye ne nipa ba ko wo akohia se wa care foundation no ye ne ono so be di nkomo tiawa na ye jade aka na de amam mommo ye nua be me na nyonyam no nkomo Ewurade na sanso nkoma ye mama akohia se wa se na ma ye no from tete no musa nye biom Ebenezer de Nyankopon odi abedru ni nyame show bibia yeah so are you money
yes sir
enani na do fonom ye nua be mama ni
yes
sa mama akohia se wa care foundation or you're one of the conveners, one of, I mean, the real guys, you know, running. And he came all the way from the United States to support this our brother. And yeah, no pay. Ye na him see mami akohia sewa or into healthcare industry. Chini abe me nyame ma ne nyansem bi. And ono so odi no ho abegim. And so bo afoforo. Running it by your mommy. What do you have to tell us about the Akosia Sewa Foundation?
So for the Akosia Sewa Foundation, we drew the inspiration from Mama Akosia Sewa herself. She is into the healthcare sector, as we all know. And if you're close to the woman, you know say oju nipa ho or nipa ho abada ye pa eshenenum kan wo ya nipa or wo mo broso nipa. And you know we formed this care say na be ya ye beboa na ma ono so na niso ade hu na ope so ade boa humanity no ene afoforo no ye beboa no ama na bem na asu support no and so when we heard about Bright's issue I discussed with her and the team and it was a good idea. She's into healthcare, like I said. No, she gave her advice a bit to me, sustaining it to prevent infection and all those things. And she gave advice. It's a 3rd-degree burn, so it might be very difficult for it to heal by itself. And as we can see, a thing.
Timani, then I will catch Team Legal Wives and Husbands.
Team Legal Wives and Husbands and everybody and support of Mama Akosua Sewa. Yes, Remo, in your beman, no one can dream. And ya de kitwana, you huni san, a semi yarrow, a yahomete. A dream ra, I was sad of when I Timmy Bum near Bebua because obey here surgery. Dear do not, nobody Nankasan can't he own to me a hilly by itself. And who here pass a bay plastic surgery and skin grafting into a patrol. Bia manya men kana kuma Team Legal Wives and Husbands ye by say ye ba beboa afoforo we su ye kwan betimi afa so de aboa ayem wa ma afoforo nti esrema contributions bia wo bia no on family support ne mo yenwa no na ontimi nya ne fa hodi no nya na yaresa. It's very important esrew bia
yeah enyanwum na dofonum sana msika no ya de number beto screen so kese na ne de momodin na kan wo send scan e be call hot direct enko bia na o reference ameboa se wo de be kan ne se fati LW kan ohun a we hu se saskai e free sana samwai e free Team Legal Wives for mo ye mane e broso mo ye de chance ti yesremo enti mo anti yan kembi ma e amusumfo Yesu ba meni enua be ma manji any
Kapo Madrista
selection
bi account
ntina won kwan
tinyame eyadom na osori anapa se sunu weto se wiebo osori anapa na oti anoma bi eto nyuma na akoko ebo na chese yesi yedase from the camp of Mrs. Akosua Sewa Fosu Team Legal Wives and all associates yeda wase any adoya we odi aye yenua be ma Bright watching cancer any nebushia Oma Bright etumi nante Oma Bright etumi bani dade mo a nyame ebeshao adan e ka jo
nyame hia mo ya se ne da mo ye no
bye bye peace